Water Avens, Geum Raziel, is a captivating, flowering plant known for its unique beauty. In this video, we'll explore the art of cultivating Water Avens in your landscape, unlocking its potential to enhance your outdoor space. 1. Getting to know Water Avens. Water Avens is a native perennial that flourishes in wet or damp environments. With its nodding flowers and intricate foliage, this plant adds a touch of elegance to any garden. 2. Choosing the right location. Select a location that replicates Water Avens' natural habitat near bodies of water, in boggy areas, or along the edges of ponds. The plant thrives in partial shade, making it a perfect addition to your waterside garden. 3. Soil preparation and planting. Prepare the soil by incorporating organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Plant Water Avens in early spring or fall, placing the root ball just below the soil surface. Water thoroughly after planting. 4. Nurturing moisture. Maintain consistent moisture levels in the soil, as Water Avens thrives in damp conditions. Mulching helps retain moisture and suppresses weed growth, ensuring optimal growth. 5. Pruning and maintenance. Water Avens requires minimal maintenance. Deadheading spent flowers promotes continuous blooming, while cutting back the foliage in late fall helps prepare the plant for the next growing season. 6. Propagation and division. Expand your Water Avens collection through division. In early spring or fall, carefully separate mature clumps and replant them in suitable locations, ensuring that each division has ample roots. 7. A garden showcase. Imagine the beauty of Water Avens gracing your waterside garden. The plant's delicate blossoms and lush foliage create a soothing and picturesque atmosphere. 8. Cultivating tranquility. Cultivating Water Avens goes beyond gardening. It's about fostering tranquility and enhancing your connection to nature. Cultivating Water Avens is a rewarding endeavor that introduces a touch of elegance and natural charm to your landscape. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a haven of beauty and tranquility in your outdoor space